In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer from Citibank to another bank. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go and type citi.com and citi.com and hit the enter button. You should be taken to the home page of their website. Of course, you'll have to go and sign in into your account using the user ID and password. And if you're on the phone, you'll have to go and same open the application, then sign in using the user ID, Touch ID or even Face ID if you enable both options, or create an account. Example, if you don't have an account, the same will be for online. If you don't have an account, you can simply just go and open an account. So at the moment, for me, I'm just going to type here city in demo, and I'm going to show you through this demo. This demo doesn't have a lot of options, so for you it might be a little different. So basically, to transfer from a city bank to another bank, you'll have to go, of course, to the main menu. Whether you logged into the website, you'll go, of course, to the main menu, and you'll go to transfers and payments. So here's an example. As you can see, there's transfer between accounts, wire transfer, payees, and bill payment. So for transfer between accounts, you can make a transfer between two accounts that you both have in Citibank. Wire transfers, you'll be able to make a wire transfer to another bank as example. For the bill payment, you'll be able to pay some bills and pay as an example to add new payee to your list so you can pay them, of course, or wire transfer them some money. So you'll need as an example to add the payment or pay to your list as an example. And of course, it might be a little bit different if you're on the phone. You'll basically have to add your other payee, and of course, you'll have to fill up the information of the other bank, whether whatever bank it is. Make sure to add their information. So let's say I want to add one. I'm just going here to fill up as an example their name as an example. Let's just say this is their name. You can click on continue. And here, as you can see, you'll have to add all the information about them. So address line, city, states, account number, memo if you want to add, or even short name as example, so you don't have the full name when you try to send them. So once you add that as an example, depending on whatever it is, sorry. So I'm just going to open that again. So as example, I'm just going to add some random numbers here. I'm just going to add like a random account number. Should be 16 numbers. So 4, 4, 4, and then so after that I need to be deleted. Memo if you want. So an example, I'm just going to type tests. And for the short name, I'm just going to type this. And of course, you can include this PE for some frequent PEs if you want, or whatever you want. So then click on add the PE. As you can see, now it's added as Omex on your payments as example. Now you can go back as example, transfer and payment, and you can set up a wire transfer as example, and simply send money to this person. Of course, you can choose, do you want it to be domestic or foreign, whatever you want. And here, of course, you will have to choose from which account, as an example. Here, you'll have to enter the amount, and here you'll have to enter the payment or the bank information beneficiary. And of course, if you already added the information before, normally you should be able to add them. Then click on continue, and you should be good to go. For the phone, it's going to be basically the same. Just add the P, transfer the money, confirm the amount, and you should be good to go. So this is going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.